In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps section available here. Now tap on Dual Apps, hit Create at the bottom, and finally use gray switches next to apps you wanna clone. Hit Turn On in this pop-up to confirm your choice and wait. If you wanna clone one of the recommended apps, just click on the chosen one and use this switcher next to Dual Apps feature to clone it. The only difference is, with recommended apps, you can also adjust those two options. Share to WhatsApp and Wake using Google Assistant. Just click on the chosen one and apply Always Ask, Default App or Dual App. When you're ready, go back to check your cloned apps. As you can see, mine are over here. To delete any of them, you need to go back to the same settings and use blue switches. Then hit OK in Uninstall Dual App pop-up. You can also delete it like you would any other app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!